Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
Sorry. I bet no rest go, I bet. Are you ready?
Okay, my name is Morayo, and people call me Moposh. Let me just start by, let me say, I'm a presenter, but majorly people call me Moposh. Okay, Liz Da Silva is a friend and a sister. She has really helped me in my show. So, coming here to celebrate her, to support her. You know, there's a saying that if you want to be successful, you have to have like 2 or 3 sources of income. Being an actress is one for her, and the other part is this new shop that she's opening. Is a fashion shop, and I'm very, very happy to come and celebrate with her. And like I said earlier, that to have a good source of income, like for you to be successful, you have to have 3 or 3 source of income. She's an actress, and now she's a fashion designer by opening this place. So to end it all, I pray that businesses will be good for her. She will do well in this shop, and profits will come in different ways. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching our videos. And importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. You have to subscribe. There's a circle here written Gua TV. Click on it. You see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's all. And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.